Your password is the key to your entire digital life. But what if that key falls into the wrong hands? Your emails, your social media accounts, even your bank logins, everything could be compromised. Every single day, millions of passwords are being stolen, and most people don't even realize it. In today's video, we're diving deep into how hackers actually steal your passwords. What methods do they use? How do they trick you? And most importantly, how can you protect yourself? This isn't just a video, though it's a warning, so stay with me till the end. Section 1. Phishing attacks. One of the most common methods hackers use is phishing. Picture this. You receive an email that looks exactly like it came from Gmail or Facebook. It says your account is at risk and asks you to verify it by clicking a link. You click it, and it takes you to a login page that looks 100% legit. You enter your username and password. And just like that, it's sent directly to the hacker. And phishing isn't limited to emails. It happens through text messages, WhatsApp, fake login forms, or even DMs on social media. Phishing works because it plays with human psychology, urgency, fear, and trust. That's why even smart people fall for it. Section 2. Keyloggers and spyware. Next up, keyloggers. This is malicious software that secretly gets installed on your computer or phone and records everything you type. Every password, every message, even personal notes. Keyloggers often hide inside pirated software, cracked games, or suspicious downloads. If you download something shady from an unknown source, you're not just installing a program, you could be giving a hacker full access to your device. The scary part? Keyloggers work silently in the background. You won't even notice they're there. Section 3. Public Wi-Fi attacks. Free public Wi-Fi at cafes, airports, malls. Sounds convenient, right? But to a hacker, it's a goldmine. On unsecured networks, hackers perform man-in-the-middle attacks. That means when you connect to the internet, they quietly intercept your traffic. So if you're logging into Facebook, checking emails, or even accessing banking apps, they might be watching everything. And if you're not using a VPN, your data may be going out in plain text. That means your login info, passwords, and even session cookies could be hijacked. Section 4. Brute force and credential stuffing. If your password is something like 123456 or I love you 123, you're an easy target for brute force attacks, where hackers use automated tools to try thousands of password combinations in seconds until one works. Then there's credential stuffing, a technique where hackers use leaked username password combinations from previous data breaches to break into other accounts. Why does this work? Because most people reuse the same password across multiple websites. If one gets leaked, the rest can fall like dominoes. Section 5. Social engineering. Now this one is really dangerous. Social engineering. This isn't about software or hacking tools, it's about manipulating people. Imagine getting a call saying, "We're calling from your bank. We need to verify your account. Please share the OTP you just received." And without thinking, people hand it over. Social engineering works because it targets our emotions: fear, trust, urgency. And when someone sounds official or polite enough, even smart users can be fooled. Section 6. How to protect yourself. So how do you stay safe? Here are some essential cybersecurity habits everyone should follow. 1. Always enable two-factor authentication. 2. FA. It adds an extra layer of protection beyond your password. 2. Never use the same password across multiple accounts. Use a password manager to keep track. 3. Avoid logging into sensitive accounts on public Wi-Fi, or use a VPN to encrypt your connection. 4. Think before you click. Don't open suspicious links or attachments. 5. Download software only from trusted sources. No cracks, no torrents. 6. Regularly scan your system with updated antivirus tools. 7. And finally, stay alert. Hackers only need you to make one mistake. Don't give them that chance. If this video helped you understand how hackers really steal passwords, then consider it your wake-up call. Cybersecurity is not just for IT professionals, it's for everyone who uses the internet. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, and tell me in the comments, what's the craziest password you've ever used? I'm Masoud Ahmad, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay smart, and stay ahead of the hackers.
Guys, I have a good news for all of you. I am offering Ultimate Ethical Hacking Bundle, which contain cybersecurity penetration testing and ethical hacking in a single course, and it will be totally hands-on with real-world scenarios, and there will be 28 plus modules with 150 plus topics. There will be 90 plus practical labs, and you're gonna love it. It contains actually everything that you need to become an ethical hacker and penetration tester. You will be job ready, and you will have the ability to perform practical work as an ethical hacker or penetration tester. So on my website, which is masaudsec.com /outlines, you will get the complete course details, all the modules, topics, each and everything that I am going to cover. If you want a personal mentor or tutor online that will teach you everything individually on Google Meet live classes, on live classes, it is also possible because I have almost 2 years of experience, and I have international students like from countries like USA, UK, Canada, and so many other countries. Yeah, and I have 5+ star rating. I'll be honest, the main thing is all of them love the content, they learn a lot, and they actually grow a lot. So if you are searching for a personal mentor, I'm here. I will teach you everything, even though if you do not have a technical background, even though if you have a zero knowledge about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and penetration testing. I will help you throughout of everything, and I'll be here to assist you with everything. Yeah, if you want to only be enrolled in the course, then you can easily enroll for the course. Yeah, and if you want that, I also need a live mentor who will teach me individually everything on Google Meet, then this is also possible. You can also go for the live mentorship program. So if you just want to enroll, just visit my website, which is masaudsec.com. I will make sure to pin the link. You can just contact with me on WhatsApp or any other platform. By the way, if you want to read more about the mentorship program and service training options, each and everything, and outlines thing, each and everything has been mentioned on my official website. So you can browse all the courses, each and everything. Oh, so yeah, that was all. Have a good day. Bye.